Let me see. You get on the other side. And that will be the thumbnail. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied and Izzy DIY. So in this review, we have a cool product, probably one of the coolest products I have ever seen. And this is cup holder for the laundry detergent, right? What we've been doing lately, we had this, but sometimes it drips, it falls, and it hits the ground. Your floor will smell good, but it will still cause a mess. Put this together like that, so I will let Izzy do that.
So you put it together with the holes, make sure it's perfectly matched, and then you like put it in the hole, and then
fit it in. Oh, that's too. This is empty. Try this one. Okay.
So you fit it.
Try to push on. Oh. Let me see.
Hopefully we did not just waste our money.
Okay, so this don't really clip on.
So you might have to like.
So this is loose.
You might have to hold it while you're.
So we can put this on first.
Yeah. Put that.
Which is hard to do. But you gotta wiggle.
Also, we should just have that on forever.
There we go. There we go. Now.
So it holds your
You're supposed to just let it stay like that.
It works.
And there you go.
Fill it all the way to the top?
No. We just doing demonstration. Alright, you guys. So, with this product here, a little something real quick. Now, this comes off pretty easy. If this was a snap-in, this would have been perfect.
Yeah, like, if it was a snap-in, like, if it had, like, you know those little parts that, like, fold and then, like, come straight? I wish it had, like, that. Like, it can fold like this.
Yeah, and unfortunately, this doesn't fold. But if you want to put it up, you can put it up like that, but it will come down.
It's also hard to fit.
So if nobody bumps into it, you're fine. But just be cautious about wiggling. Like right now, nothing's happening. I'm trying to pull out. But if nothing's on it, it comes out.
Yeah, like, I think it's a good deal. How much did this cost, too?
This was cheap. Like, cheap. I mean, cheap.
Like, $1 cheap?
At least $2 and something. I will post the price of everything that I bought, you guys. That's about it.
No. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell to turn on notifications. And I forgot what. My brain.